everyone. You may be one of the many childcare centers that have asked us to develop a tool that would allow parents to sign documents electronically. Well, we are excited to say that the ACCEO Childcare Services team heard your requests and then set out to create a top-notch electronic signature tool to fulfill your expectations. Welcome to this presentation where you will see the features, functionalities, and multiple advantages that this solution has to offer. In the fall of 2020, the Ministère de la Famille issued a news release declaring that the use of electronic signature was now recognized as valid under Article 123 of the Educational Childcare Regulation. The electronic signature process must make it possible to establish the date on which the parent electronically signed their child's attendance sheet. In addition, the process must allow for compliance with other obligations provided under this article, specifically in regard to the length of the retention period. The electronic signature tool essentially makes it possible for parents to sign documents online in a simple and secure environment. In a matter of seconds, parents can review their children's attendance sheets and sign them electronically. Your childcare center can then view the documents that have been signed by the parents. The electronic signature option is seamlessly integrated into your ACCEO Childcare Services software. The document management involves 3 simple steps. This is what we will look at next. First, let's review how documents are transmitted to parents. Using the wizard designed specifically for this purpose, you can choose the operation to carry out as well as the type of document to send to parents, in this case, attendance sheets. Other types of documents will be added to this list as the tool and software continue to evolve. Here is where you select the 4-week period for the attendance records that will be produced. If you manage multiple installations, you can designate the installation for which you want to process documents. You can also choose a signatory if there are several authorized signatories in your childcare center. Here you can select folders using the View, Sort, and Filter features that you currently use in other areas of ACCEO Childcare Services software. The documents are produced and sent to parents' Tiempo accounts. You can preview the documents and make any necessary corrections prior to sending them. You can also schedule automatic reminders sent by email or text message based on the preference set by each parent in their Tiempo account. By using these automatic reminders, there's no longer any need for you to verbally remind parents to sign documents. We have now reached the second step of the process, which involves parents signing their documents online using the Tiempo platform. The parent's account is accessible from the Tiempo.ca website and is included in your subscription to the electronic signature option. Tiempo can be accessed using a phone, tablet, or computer. The parent is notified by email and/or text message based on their preference that they have a new document ready for signature. This is the Tiempo login screen. Parents enter their email address and password. They can choose to log in English or in French. The Tiempo account is automatically activated for parents when you send them their first document. Parents can see the number of documents to be signed directly on the Tiempo homepage. Documents can appear in one of 3 different statuses. The first status is for documents to be signed by the parent. The second is for documents that are already signed. The third is for documents that have been rejected. In this environment, parents can view the documents, then take one of several possible actions: sign, reject, or download the document. The middle screen shows how parents can use their finger to sign their phone or tablet. If they are using a computer, parents can also sign using the mouse. The parent can also refuse a document that is found to contain errors. The Child Care Center is notified when a document is refused and can make the necessary corrections, then resubmit the document to the parent. We have now reached the last step of the process, which is to import the documents signed by parents into the ACCEO Childcare Services software. Using the wizard, you can view all the documents that are signed, pending, and refused. You can download your attendance sheets for a given period in a single document and save to your workstation or your server. Documents will be retained on our secure servers for a minimum period of 6 years following the child's departure from the child care center. Every signed document produces a unique and individual imprint that serves to authenticate the user's electronic signature. Together with the exact date and time, you can obtain detailed information on the origin of the signature, which then links the signature to a specific individual and their device. Signed attendance sheets can be consulted in the parent's file. Here is an example of a signed attendance sheet. Here are just a few of the many advantages provided by our electronic signature tool. Because it is fully integrated with your ACCEO Childcare Services software, all your documents are centrally housed in a single location. This tool makes your work easier. With automated reminders, there's no need for you to follow up with parents to get documents signed. Its intentionally simple design makes it easy to use with intuitive features. Quick document transmission gives you more time to devote to other activities. There's no need to print documents on paper, which helps your childcare center reduce its environmental footprint. This concludes our presentation. If you have any questions, we invite you to contact us by phone or by email at the sales department. Thank you for your attention.